Purpose of Control plus B shortcut key in MS Excel is A. Open Save dialog box. B. Open Print dialog box. C. Open Paragraph dialog box. D. Open Page Format dialog box. Answer: none of the above. Control plus B is used for bold. 52. In Microsoft PowerPoint, which of the following tool enables you to add text to a slide without using the standard placeholders? A. Text toolbox. B. Line tool. C. Drawing tool. D. Auto shapes tool. Answer: A. Text toolbox. 53. Displays each slide of the PPT as a thumbnail and is used to rearrange them. A. Slideshow. B. Slide sorter. C. Slide design. D. Slide display. Answer: B. Slide sorter. This view is specifically for bird's eye organization. 54. Column, bar, pie, line, scatter are types of A. Charts. B. Fonts. C. Shape tool. D. Drawing tool. Answer: A. Charts. 55. Which of the following allow you to select more than one slide in a presentation? A. Alt plus click each slide. B. Shift plus drag each slide. C. Control plus click each slide. D. Function plus click each slide. Answer: C. Control plus click each slide. Control allows for non-adjacent selection. Shift allows for a range. 56. Shortcut to insert new slide in the current presentation is A. Control plus M. B. Control plus O. C. Control plus N. D. Control plus F. Answer: A. Control plus M. Note: Control plus N creates a new file, while Control plus M adds a new slide. 57. Which of the following is the smallest measure of storage? A. KB. B. MB. C. TB. D. Byte. Answer: D. Byte. Sequence: bit, less than byte, less than KB, less than MB, less than GB, less than TB. Byte, B, the base unit. Kilobyte, KB, 1024 bytes. Megabyte, MB, 1024 KB. Gigabyte, GB, 1024 MB. Terabyte, TB, 1024 GB. 58. The main circuit board of the system unit is A. RAM. B. Motherboard. C. Hard disk. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Motherboard. It houses the CPU, RAM, and connectors for all other hardware. 59. Bluetooth is an example of A. Wireless Personal Area Network WPAN. B. Local Area Network LAN. C. Virtual Private Network VPN. D. Wide Area Network WAN. Answer: A. Wireless Personal Area Network WPAN. Bluetooth is designed for short-range communication, personal space. 60. If a new device is attached to a computer, such as printer or scanner, its blank must be installed before the device can be used. A. Buffer. B. Pager. C. Driver. D. Server. Answer: C. Driver. A driver is the software translator between the operating system and hardware. 61. Verification of a login name and password is known as A. Troubleshooting, B. Configuration, C. Authentication, D. Logging out. Answer C. Authentication. Authentication is verification of identity. Authorization is what you're allowed to do. 62. Internet Explorer falls under A. Operating system, B. Compiler, C. Browser, D. IP address. Answer C. Browser. It is a software application used to access the World Wide Web. 63. In a network, the computer that stores the files and processes the data is named as A. Server, B. Terminal, C. Modem, D. All of the above. Answer A. Server. 64. World Wide Web. Coined by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. 65. What kind of attempts is made by individuals to obtain confidential information from a person by falsifying their identity? A. Spyware scams, B. Phishing scams, C. Computer virus, D. None of the above. Answer B. Phishing scams. 66. What is an email? A. An internet standard which allow users to upload and download. B. Transmission of files and messages through computer network. C. A real-time typed conversation. D. An operating system. Answer B. Transmission of files and messages through computer network. 67. How can you check the look of a document before printing in MS Word? A. Use magnifier. B. Use print preview. C. Use save as. D. Shift plus delete. Answer B. Use print preview. 68. What is the shortcut key to undo the last action in a document? A. Control plus X. B. Control plus Y. C. Control plus Z. D. None of above. Answer C. Control plus Z to undo the last action. Please note, Control plus Y is redo, the opposite of undo. 69. The quickest and easiest way in Word to locate a particular word or phrase in a document is to use the command A. Replace, B. Find, C. Look up, D. Search. Answer B. Find. Shortcut Control plus F. 70. What is the purpose of headers and footers used in document? A. To mark the starting and ending of a page. B. To allow page headers and footers to appear on document when it is printed. C. To enhance the overall appearance of the document. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Header and footer provide structure, metadata, page numbers, and aesthetics. 71. Purpose of Control plus B shortcut key in MS Word is A. It makes the selected text bold. B. It deletes a line in the document. C. It adds a line break to the document. D. None of the above. Answer A. It makes the selected text bold. Remember that Control plus B is universal for bold across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. 72. In a spreadsheet, you can activate a cell by A. Pressing the Tab key, B. Clicking the cell, C. Pressing an arrow key, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Spreadsheet can be activated by pressing the Tab key or clicking the cell or pressing an arrow key. 73. In a spreadsheet, which button do you click to add up a series of numbers? A. The AutoSum button. B. The Formula button. C. The Quick Total button. D. The Total button. Answer A. The AutoSum button, symbolized by the Greek letter sigma. 47. In order to tell Excel that we are entering a formula in cell, we must begin with an operator such as A plus, B equals, C number sign, D at. Answer B equals. 75. How are data organized in a spreadsheet? A. Lines and spaces. B. Layers and planes. C. Height and width. D. Rows and columns. Answer D. Rows and columns.